Here I have Motorola Moto G24, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off. After it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up, volume down, at the same time like this. And you will end up in the boot mode. So here in the boot mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as start, restart, bootloader, recovery mode, power off, barcodes, bootloader logs, and yeah. So if you want to quit this mode, just select an option start and device will be restarted, just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.